What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper focused on the infill lots. Today I'm coming to you with some epic wild content. Get ready, get ready, get ready. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you could be so kind to go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button, turn that notification bell on so you won't miss anything from your boy. Today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 things why I love doing direct mail. Okay. Top 3 things why I love doing direct mail. Again, different strokes for different folks. Okay, some people, you do need a marketing budget for direct mail, I must say. However, don't think that you gotta spend hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dollars a month. You can start small, work your way up, be consistent. Probably my #1 thing I like about direct mail is that opportunities come to me. Okay? If anybody who's been in the game a little bit and who've been cold calling people, following up with people, just trying to text people, it becomes very worrisome sometimes, okay? Trying to hit all these people up and all these people. Some people will play games with you. You got to have discernment. Some people will lie to you. You're not even talking to the right person. 99% of the time, when someone hit me back up off the direct mail, they ready to go. And if they're not ready to go, they're ready to counter me. If they're not ready to counter me, they like take me off the list. Okay, you're getting 3 things from the direct mail game. But when you get someone who wants to sell from the direct mail game, these people mean business. They have seen my offer. Okay, I make blind offers. Listen. I have got sidetracked in my business by trying to be cheap and sending what we call neutral letters, and a waste of time for me. Neutral letters is basically a letter where you send says, "Hi, I'm Bob, had a baby, it's a boy. I want to see if you had any interest in selling your land, and if you do, give me a call." Don't do that. Be very, 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 very you can do that. I'm sorry. It don't work for me. I'm sorry. I don't want to tell you what to do. I don't want to, I would like to advise you because I want you to get the highest ROI. But again, you get a lot of tire kickers with that. You get a lot of people saying, "Well, you sent me a letter. You tell me how much you can do." Then you just wasting time. Well, I got to analyze the deal, man. Shut up. Leave me alone. Click. They hang up on you. People cussing, "Yeah, you don't know what you talking about. You don't know what you talking about." People you just like, oh Lord, you just getting all them crazy, crazy calls. And don't have if you got a phone answering service in place, your bill will go through the roof. I mean, it's going to go through the roof because you're going to get a lot of people who call. And a lot of these people are older. They're long-winded. They want to talk. They need somebody to talk to. They want somebody to tell the story. "Let me tell you about this land." I'll be like, "Ma'am, listen, I appreciate you telling me the story about the land, but I need to know, does this price works for you? Okay, if it don't, okay, thank you. Bye-bye." Click. Hang up on them. Straight up. I mean, I hang up on grandmas, granddads all the time. With respect, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you this because you don't want to waste time, invest time in people where there's no opportunity for you. Okay? You don't. If you feel led to stay on the phone with the people, by all means, stay on the phone. But listen, I've learned that people will keep you on the phone 10, 15 minutes telling you about, and they'll keep going, telling you about the history of the land and how their daddy built the first house and how their uncle and them. Listen, that's okay. Yes, I appreciate you. But are you selling? Well, I'm not really selling, but click, hang up on them before you get there. Ooh, man, I tickle myself sometimes. I love what I do. I love bringing y'all this content. Man. This is fun for me. I want you to know that. All right. So you get it. My #1 thing I like about direct mail, mainly blind offers, is people coming to me. They're raising their hand and say, "Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me." A lot of the lots are garbage. Okay, I get it. But you will get some gold. And the return on investment is crazy. I mean crazy. Like, I don't know how much it is, but it's a good return on investment. It's like you invest a couple $1,000, $2,000-$3,000 in mail a month, and you make, I'm just throwing numbers out there, okay? Don't hold me to them. $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, okay? Off a $2,000 or $3,000 investment. Where are you going to do that at? On land. Where are you going? Tell me, please tell me. I know them boys doing Bitcoin and all that old crazy stuff. Where you going to do that at? I don't know. But it works for me. I wish I would have never stopped being cheap and never stopped having a shiny object syndrome. Entrepreneurs, we have this shiny object syndrome. We see all this stuff going on and we want to do it. We get excited and we stop doing the thing that works to get to the thing that possibly works, okay? Don't do it. Find one marketing channel, master it, okay? If it's working for you, don't switch it out. Listen to your boy. Listen to your boy. I'm a marketing expert. That's what I do. I love marketing, okay? So, number one, opportunities come to you. You don't have to go to them. They come to you. You send the mail, and listen, some people call you back in a day. Some people call you back in a month. Some people call you back in a year. I mean, I had a lady call me, man, not too long ago. She says, "Hey, are you still buying land, Mr. Creative Land?" I said, "Yes, ma'am." She says, "Well, I got this lot." Mind you, I offered her $5,000 2 years ago. The lot worth $35 now. Holla at your boy! That's why I love the land game, okay? So, one, people come to you. Two, sometimes when you make an offer and people don't get back to you, as the example I just gave you, the second thing I like about the land game is people will hold on to that mail and will call you back when they're ready. And I love that. I love that. You get opportunities from old marketing results. So if you be consistent, meaning monthly, you send out 1,000 offers or 500 offers or 2,000. If you get to doing that 2-3 years, you will begin to see an exponential return on your investment. And that's what I'm in a position of seeing. An exponential. I love the exponential return on it. And 9 times out of 10, you offer them lower than the market, first of all, because you're trying to get it for a deal where you can kind of wholesale it. So your assignment fee. But then when 2-3 years go on, and you should be in the right markets, that the market is growing, okay? And you get to capitalize on that. Sometimes, people don't say, "Well, can you give me 10,000 more?" They don't say that. They say, "Well, I'll sign this and send it back to you." So I love that. I love that. And number 3 is it's easy to scale, okay? The problem can be if you don't have the team to handle the scale, because acquisitions and dispositions is a lot of work, okay? But then you got a third piece, which is called a transaction coordinator, okay? And that's a lot of work for one person. If you're sending out, this month I sent out 9,500 letters, okay? But if you're sending out 90,000 letters or 50,000, that will overwhelm one person. 9,500 is a lot for me. I mean, it's keeping me busy, but I probably can handle another 10. 20 bands, I probably stop. I probably couldn't handle no more than 20,000 a month. I'm just telling you. Why? Because it's too many deals. It's too many contracts. It's too much for one person. If you got a team, you got an acquisition manager, yeah, you probably can handle it. But for me, it's just me. Me and one VA. Me and one VA. That's it. It's just me and one VA. So, again, the reason why I'm telling you about direct mail, because it works, okay? My bank account says it works. I got partners that's eating that says it works. There's people who businesses only built around direct mail because it works. And I'm talking about that blind offer. So, listen, if you got some money to invest, listen, I highly recommend get signed up. Pebble, it's in the description. REI conversion. Holler at my man Jesse and them. They're going to get you straight. Jesse and Kevin. Love them guys. Them guys are beasts. Love them. They look out for the cookout. They do. They look out for the cookout. Holla at your boy. I'm gone like the wind. Come check me out. If you ain't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Right now. Do it.